Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Exposure. In today's video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about the Google Drive app. From signing in to uploading, organizing, and sharing files, we've got it all. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Introduction to Google Drive. Google Drive is Google's cloud storage solution, offering 15 gigabytes of free storage where you can keep all your important files, photos, and documents. You can access it from any device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer, and it integrates perfectly with other Google apps. Step 2. Signing in to Google Drive. First things first, to use Google Drive, you need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. Simply open the Google Drive app and sign in using your Google account. Enter your email address, tap Next, and then enter your password. Once signed in, you'll have access to all of Google Drive's features. Step 3. Uploading files to Google Drive. Now let's upload some files. To upload a document, photo, or video from your phone, tap the plus button at the top left corner, then select Upload. Choose the file you want to upload, and just like that, it'll be safely stored in your Google Drive, ready for you to access anytime, anywhere. Step 4. Organizing your files in Google Drive. Keeping your files organized is super important, especially when you have a lot of documents and media stored. You can easily create folders to organize your files. Just tap the plus button again, select Folder, give it a name, and start moving your files into it. Drag and drop files, or tap the 3 dots next to any file to move it into the correct folder. Step 5. Sharing files and collaboration. Google Drive makes it easy to share files with others. Tap the 3 dots next to any file or folder, select Share, and invite people by entering their email addresses. You can also choose whether you want them to view, comment, or edit the file. This is perfect for collaboration, whether it's for school projects, work, or sharing photos with friends. Step 6. Accessing files offline. What if you don't have internet but still need to access your files? Google Drive has you covered. Simply tap the 3 dots next to a file and select Available Offline. Now you can view and edit your files even when you're offline, and once you reconnect, any changes you made will automatically sync. Step 7. Working with Google Workspace apps. One of the great things about Google Drive is how smoothly it integrates with Google Workspace apps. You can create and edit Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides right from within the app. Whether you're working on a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, all your changes are automatically saved, and you can access them from any device. Step 8. Managing your storage. Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage, but if you need more space, you can upgrade to Google One. Just tap your profile icon, check your storage usage, and upgrade to a plan that suits your needs. And that's how easy it is to sign in and use Google Drive. From uploading files to organizing them, sharing with others, and accessing everything offline, Google Drive has it all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get notified about more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.